Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Fisherman spots half eaten zombie shark seen hunting for food despite having a huge hole in its side. With an estimated 1 billion CCTV cameras and about 6.5 billion smartphones worldwide, chances are high you are being recorded anytime you step into public. Do you send memes during conflict? You are not immature, it's a coping mechanism according to a study. The person who gets angry a lot is a weak person, most of the time liar. A 118-year-old Sarah Noss posing for a family picture 1998, seven generations brought together in a single frame. Over 55,000 tennis balls are repurposed each year to be homes for endangered harvest mice in the UK. China is building a massive national park system aiming to protect over a million square kilometers by 2035. Switzerland has so many millionaires that one in every 18,000 citizens owns a brand new Ferrari. Heaviest man in the world in 1890, people paid money to see him. In some parts of Germany, solar panels are replacing bricks and wood for walls and fences, cheaper and functional. In 1907, a man strapped a lightweight mini camera onto a pigeon to take aerial photos of a city. Mount Pinatubo's 1991 eruption cooled Earth by 0.5 degrees Celsius for nearly 2 years by releasing massive sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. Study shows the strongest friendships come from hating the same people and things. Norway uses tidal stream turbines to generate clean energy from ocean currents without noise or smoke. A 24-year-old Chinese woman accidentally learned she'd been living her entire life without a cerebellum, the part of the brain that controls balance. Despite delayed walking and talking, she led a mostly normal life thanks to neuroplasticity. Earthquake coming. These Japanese homes float above ground using compressed air to avoid damage. An Australian man lived 100 days on Bivacor's magnetic levitation artificial heart, a lightweight 650-gram device inspired by maglev trains. It's now in human trials aiming to cut transplant waitlist within 6 years. Most of Dubai's $14 billion man-made islands remain barren and slowly eroding into the sea. There is a monument to honor the almost 1 million often forgotten Allied horses who died during the First World War. Of 1 million drafted horses, only 62,000 returned in 1918. Andy the goose born with no feet, his owner outfitted him with Nike sneakers to help him stand and move, helping him to become a role model for disabled. The company Samsung accounts for 15% of South Korea's entire economy, and that South Koreans often live in Samsung-owned apartment buildings, can get treatments from Samsung-owned medical centers, go to Samsung universities, and even end up at a Samsung funeral parlor when they die. Many modern dairy farms utilize automatic milking systems, allowing cows to initiate milking sessions at their discretion. These systems employ electronic identification to recognize each cow, ensuring milking occurs at appropriate intervals. If a cow attempts to be milked too soon, the system denies access. Monks hid 84,000 manuscripts behind a stone wall to save them from invaders. The secret library containing priceless knowledge was finally discovered in Tibet nearly 1,000 years later in 2003. There was a mysterious disease that existed in Guam and was the leading cause of adult death between 1945 and 1956. Fruit bats were part of the local diet at the time and became extinct as a result of overhunting. A decline in fruit bat consumption led to decline in incidence of the disease. British Hedgehog Preservation Society won a campaign in 2006 to force McDonald's to redesign their McFlurry cups due to hedgehogs repeatedly getting stuck in them and dying. The Hazarot angel, a bronze angel with black tears from oxidization, watches over a Cleveland grave, evoking airy sorrow and death. Malaysia's Forest City $100 billion luxury city project planned for 700,000 residents and built on artificial islands near Singapore. An unknown person has lovingly dressed the child statue for decades, sparking mystery and warmth. World's largest artificial river costing $9.7 billion, which will transform 9,200 square kilometers of desert into a new Nile Delta. A 5,000 lb granite ball atop a grave has slowly rotated for over a century, likely due to freeze-thaw cycles. Will handle 65 m containers yearly, making it Earth's largest container port, uses AI-driven cranes and autonomous vehicles. When completed in 2040, it will be twice Monaco's size, costing $20 billion. Facts about humans. Most people fake emotions daily. You scroll to escape life. You have lied to someone you love. Being busy is the new excuse. You envy people you follow. Thanks for watching.